Hi there, we're back in my kitchen for our next math and science lesson. Today we're going to be talking about the temperature. Can you say that word? Temperature. First, what you're going to do is you're going to practice counting all the way up to 100 and from 100 all the way back down to 0. Do that with your parents before you finish watching the rest of this video. We can count to 100 to count the degrees or how hot it is outside. The higher the number, the more hot it gets, all right? So the first thing you're going to do for our temperature check today is you're going to get 2 cups of water. You're going to put water into each of them, and you're going to set one outside in the sun, and you're going to put the other one in your refrigerator, okay? You're going to leave them there for 1 hour. After you do that, come back and we'll finish watching the rest of this video. All right? So, I've already had my cup of water that was sitting outside and my cup of water that was in my fridge. All right? So, we're going to be talking about the temperature of our water, or the weather outside as well, okay? And you're also gonna need a few ice cubes, okay? We're gonna set these here for later. So what you're gonna do is bring both cups to a table and you're gonna measure them with a thermometer. But I don't have one, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test it with my finger because we can feel how hot or how cold it is. We can feel the temperature. So I'm gonna put my finger into this first jar, feel around it. Wow, this water feels hot. My first cup of water feels hot. This is the one that was outside. So if my water's hot, the weather must be hot outside too, right? This is my second glass. I'm gonna go ahead and feel what the weather or the water feels like in this glass. Ooh, that one's pretty cold. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take an ice cube and we're going to put one in each glass, okay? So you're going to need 2 ice cubes. I'm going to drop 1 ice cube into this glass and 1 ice cube into this glass. Ready? 3, 2, 1. You can see them. Now we're going to wait. And I want you to see which one is going to melt first, okay? So, at home, I want you to watch them. Which ice cube is going to melt first? Okay? I want you to make a prediction. Which one do you think? Do you have your guess? All right. Continue watching at home to see which glass melts first. Then, I want you to take out a sheet of paper or your journal at home, and I want you to write about what you saw in our science experiment today. Did the one that was outside melt first, or did the one that was in the fridge melt first? Write that down in your journal and draw us a picture. I'll see you next time.